Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Arkheron Playtest gamepad or controller not working problem. In this situation, the very first method is to restart our PC once. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on Power, then select Restart. This will restart our PC, and after your PC restarts, log into the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the search option, search for Device Manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your controller drivers, and after that you have to launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that check whether controller is working or not in Arkheron Playtest game. If it doesn't work, come back again, select disable Steam input, and now check whether controller is working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable Steam, select default settings, and move to the next method. Next is to remove controller and add it again. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices. Your controller will be added over. You have to remove it. Click on three dot icon, click on remove device. After that, restart our PC. Once your PC restarts, again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add device, click on everything else, add your controller over here, and after that check whether it's working now. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once the game files are verified, launch the game and check if controller is working. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update, click on check for updates. It will check if any update is available, and once done, launch the game and check if controller is working. Next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working. So you can easily see the update option over here. If there is any available, click on it, update your game, and after that launch the game and check if controller is working. Next is to enter big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here in the above section, you can see enter big picture mode option. Click on it. After you enter big picture mode, you have to select the game and click on the play button and try to play the game whether it's working or not. After that, click on Steam option, click on power, and then select exit big picture mode. Once done, now launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next solution is to install DS4 Windows tool. So you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google, or simply go through the link that I have already given in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below, click on the download option, and this will download DS4 Windows tool on your system. After that, you have to install it, and after installing it, you have to launch the game again and then check for the error whether the gamepad or controller is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.